Today we are going to discuss about NEET UG MCQs. Myself, Dr. Shiban, MBBS DCH, postgraduated from Madras Medical College. Today we are going to see part 29. Okay. My first question itself is the repeat NEET MCQ, old MCQ. Okay. Meiosis occurs throughout life. Meiosis occurs throughout life in life of dividing cell. True or false? Meiosis occurs throughout life in a dividing cell. True or false? If you know this point, you can answer that FMCQ. The answer is mitosis. Mitosis occurs throughout life in dividing cell. Very, very important MCQ point. Okay, good. Meiosis occurs during gamete formation. True or false? Meiosis occurs during gamete formation. True or false? Meiosis occurs during gamete formation. The answer is big yes. Yes. Meiosis occurs during gamete formation is a true statement. This is frequently asked MCQ. Mitosis is reduction division. True or false? Frequently asked. Mitosis is reduction division. True or false? Reduction division means meiosis. Reduction division means meiosis. Reduction division means meiosis. What is the mechanism of statin? S-T-A-T-I-N. What is the mechanism of statin? Mechanism of statin. S-T-A-T-I-N. Statin. What is statin? Statin is a medicine or a tablet which helps to reduce the blood cholesterol level. It reduces the blood cholesterol level. It is a tablet for high bad cholesterol. So what is the mechanism? Very important. It inhibits enzyme. It inhibits the enzyme. It acts in the enzyme level, MCQ. It inhibits the enzyme needed to produce cholesterol. So, statin. What is BT? B is capital and small is t. In idea, BT. Memorize this. BT. Bacillus. BT is an MCQ. BT is an MCQ. This is very important MCQ. NEET MCQ point. They have asked. BT can produce protein. True or false? BT can produce protein. True or false? Come on. The answer is yes. Yes. Because if you know this point, you can answer the next top MCQ. Okay. What is the use of protein secreted by BT? What is the use of BT? What is the use of protein secreted by BT? It kills insects. Very important question. Okay. When they give 4 choice, it will be very much confusing. What is the use of protein? Or they can ask which kills insects in BT. That time you should answer protein. It will be a rank deciding MCQ. BT is best helpful in which plant? As per your NCERT textbook, BT is best helped in which plant? They give BT cotton, right? Or they can ask ulta question also. Cotton is related to what? All the MCQs which I have taken are from your NCERT textbook 12th standard. Okay, everything is from your own textbook only. So what is the mechanism of BT? What is the mechanism of BT? What is the mechanism of BT? Forms toxic protein products. Protein is the keyword. Protein is the keyword. Adenosine deaminase deficiency causes what? Adenosine deaminase deficiency causes what? Causes SCID. Or they can ask, what is the reason for SCID? That time you should answer adenosine deaminase. Both sides they can ask. I think they will ask like this only. SCID, what is the most important reason? That time you should answer adenosine deaminase deficiency. What is the function of chitinase? CHIT. Any idea? Chitinase. Match the following. Yes. Chitinase or chitinase. CHIT. Chitinase. Digestion of fungus, you know. Cell wall is the key point. They will ask cell wall, nucleus, nucleolus, ribosomes, and they will confuse you. NEET is a very simple thing. Only thing you should study little more depth. Here the key point is cell wall. In which of the following Taq polymerase is useful? Taq polymerase. Any idea? Taq polymerase. Read the answer. Read the answer. DNA amplification in PCR. What is the question? Taq polymerase. What is the answer? DNA amplification in PCR. What is this? Taq amplification. What is the answer? DNA amplification PCR. PCR is a separate MCQ. Do you know the expansion of PCR? It's MCQ. Polymerase chain reaction. Polymerase chain reaction. Okay, but don't forget this question. Taq polymerase. This is how we should prepare for NEET. Yes. What is ECO? Echo RI. Echo RI. What is the function of this enzyme? What is the function of this Echo RI? Is that classical NEET? Echo RI. Come on. Cuts specific DNA sequence. Cuts specific DNA sequence. What is the question? Echo RI. What is the answer? Cuts specific DNA sequence. 3 times I have repeated because that question has been repeated more than 3 times. DNA ligase is used in. DNA ligase is used in. DNA ligase. Where it is used? Come on. Joining DNA fragments. They will confuse you. Joining RNA fragments. Joining both DNA and RNA fragments. Joining DNA fragments. So be very careful about DNA ligase. DNA ligase. Joining DNA fragments. Heroin affects heart. True or false? Heroin. Heroin affects heart. True or false? No, because cannabis affects the heart. Cannabis. Cannabis. Cannabis affects the heart. Snorting. Snorting. Snorting is available, is seen in cannabis. True or false? Snorting available in heroin. True or false? Snorting is found in heroin. Snorting. Snorting is typically found in heroin. Snorting. Cannabis is used as injection. True or false? Cannabis is used in injection. True or false? No. Heroin is used as injection. Heroin is used as injection. Very important MCQ. Heroin is used as injection. Strong magnetic field is the keyword used in CT. What is CT? Computed tomography. What is the question? Strong magnetic field is used in CT. True or false? True or false? The answer is strong magnetic field is used in MRI. MRI. See, this is a confusing question, but they have asked this question. Seriya. X-ray is used in MRI. MRI. X-ray is used in MRI. True or false? Little confusing MCQ, but X-ray is present in, X-ray is used in MRI. Come on. The answer is, what is the answer? X-ray is used only in CT. X-ray is used only in CT. Computed tomogram. Internal organs are can be seen by X-ray. Can be seen in X-ray. Because CT, you can see the internal organs. MRI, you can see the internal organs. My question is, internal organs can be seen in X-ray. True or false? It is a true statement. Histopathology can study blood. Come on. Histopathology can study blood. See, if you know answers like this, you can answer top MCQ. Yes. Histopathology can, what is that? Can study about blood. Histopathology study. The answer is true. The answer is true. Keep it in mind. Very important point. இதுதான் கொஸ்டின். இதுதான் நீட்டு. Dash oncogenes are found in normal cells. Normal cells. Normal cells. See, our body also have oncogenes. Cellular oncogenes and proto-oncogenes are found in normal cells is the important point. Normal cell is the key point. Cellular and proto-oncogenes are found in normal cells. They can ask both way. Can cellular and proto-oncogenes become oncogenic because cellular oncogene is present in normal cell. MCQ. Proto-oncogenes are found in normal cell. MCQ. Third point. Can cellular and protocellular can cellular and proto-oncogenes become oncogenic? Oncogenic means cancer. Oncogenic means cancer. If your answer is yes, why? That is NEET. Why is NEET question? Your textbook says yes, and they have told only this reason. If they are activated under special conditions. The same word is given in your textbook. Yes. When activated under certain conditions. When activated under certain conditions. This match the following. Antiretroviral drug used for treating what disease? Antiretroviral. Any idea? Antiretroviral drug. Come on. Don't waste your time. Repeat MCQ. Match the following MCQ so many times. AIDS or HIV. Or they can ask in AIDS or HIV which drug is used. That time you should answer antiretroviral drug. Okay. When you answer this question, come on. AIDS can be cured by antiretroviral drugs. AIDS can be cured by. Just now we studied, no? Tell me the answer. AIDS can be cured by antiretroviral drugs. Never. Never is the MCQ answer. It is a little bit helpful, that's all. Antiretroviral drugs are little bit helpful in treatment of AIDS. It never cures AIDS. Okay. Don't forget Sheban. Okay, good. What is NPP? NPP. Come on, NPP. Net primary productivity. See, when they give 4 choices, you cannot answer such MCQs. Okay, so keep it. NPP. Net primary productivity. Net primary productivity, NPP. What is GPP? GPP. What is GPP? Gross primary productivity. Gross primary productivity. Earthworm is a dash. Any idea? Earthworm. Dead retrievers. Earthworm. Earthworm is a earthworm. MCQ. What is the formula for NPP? This is a repeat MCQ. Okay. If you know this formula, you can answer that question. NPP. What is the formula for NPP to calculate NPP? GPP minus R. R they will give, GPP also they will give. You just have to subtract. Just click. That is the single job you have to do. What is fragmentation? What is actual fragmentation? Earthworm breaks down detritus. Earthworm breaks down detritus into smaller pieces. They can give like this and they will ask what is fragmentation. Both sides they can ask this MCQ. Fragmentation means earthworm, fragmentation. So what is leaching? What is leaching? Water soluble. Soluble is the MCQ point. Water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil horizon. Is called leaching. What is leaching? Soluble is the keyword. Inorganic is the keyword. What is catabolism? What is catabolism? What is catabolism? Bacterial and viral, bacterial and fungal enzymes. Bacterial and fungal enzymes degrade detritus. See, they gave bacteria and fungus. Be very careful. They did not give bacteria and virus. Be very careful while choosing MCQ. Okay. Bacteria and fungus enzyme degrades detritus is called catabolism. 3 words are very important. Catabolism, one more thing it only leaching and fragmentation. Catabolism, fragmentation and leaching. All the 3 are confusing MCQs. For inorganic they will keep organic. For soluble they will keep insoluble. So see the keywords, okay. Remains of dead plants, dead animals plus fecal matter is called what? Remains of dead plant, dead animal is called detritus. Or they can ask, there are only 3 points. They will add one more point and they will ask which is absent in detritus. So you should answer dead plant, yes. Dead animal, yes. Fecal matter, yes. One more thing, God only knows. They will give some choice. Be very careful. Okay. This is called detritus. So detritus contains dead plants, dead animals, fecal matter, some other choice they will keep. This is a classic MCQ, detritus. Very good. Okay. So who is called a consumer? What is consumer? All plants depend upon plant for food. Is called all animals depends upon plant for food. That word is called consumer. Okay. All animals, consumer. See, this is a very important MCQ point. You are thinking how to remember everything. Yes, there is a simple technique. They have studied that if you want to memorize a study material, you must recall this for 7 continuous days. Sunday to Sunday, 7 days continuous. You hear this video for 1 week. I'll challenge you, you'll remember all the 100 MCQs for more than 1 year. Because that has been scientifically proven technique. All the top rankers who get 720 out of 720, they know this point. They are keeping this as a secret. You try in this video, you will understand the power of 7 days continuous recall. Not today and after tomorrow. Continuous recall. Try this. What is mineralization? What is mineralization? So definition looks very easy. But the question is mineralization. Read this. Humus degraded to inorganic nutrients. They will keep organic nutrients and make you confused. Normally we will think organic only. Humus degraded to form inorganic nutrients is called mineralization. Don't forget the question. So what is humidification? What is humidification? Come on. Any idea? What is humidification? Any idea? Read thoroughly. This is called humidification. What is humidification? Read this thoroughly, okay? Humidification. Accumulation of dark substance resistant to microbial action. Okay? Microbial action. Got it? It's called humidification. I'll repeat once more. Accumulation of dark substance resistant to microbial action is called humidification. See, all these are confusing words, right? Just now what all we read? We read about consumer. Okay. We read about fragmentation. We read about catabolism. We read about, what is this? Leaching. We read about mineralization. We read about humidification. How is it possible to remember everything? That is why I am repeatedly telling you, this 7 days continuous recall is a hidden secret where top scorers, they don't reveal it outside. You hear this video, 7 days continuously, you will see 100%, you will answer all the 100 MCQs. Like this, like tuck, you will answer. So what is trisomy? Can you name the syndrome? TRISOMY, trisomy 21. Which syndrome? There are repeated MCQs. Everything is MCQ only. Any idea? Down's syndrome. DOWNS. Down's syndrome is trisomy 21. 47XXY. What syndrome? 47XXY. Come on. Klinefelter's syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome. 47XXY. Klinefelter's syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome. 47XO. 47XO. Which syndrome? 47XO. Turner syndrome. TURNER. Turner's syndrome is 45XO. Turner's syndrome is 45XO. This is a very important MCQ, okay? Repeated MCQ. Turner syndrome can occur only in females. If you know this point, toughest MCQ you can shoot. Turner's disease occurs in only in females. Come on. Any idea? The answer is, it is a true statement. It is a true statement. Turner's females. Turner's females. Turner's females. Good. Klinefelters can occur in males and females. True or false? This is NEET preparation. Yes. Klinefelters occur in males and females. True or false? Klinefelters occurs only in males. Klinefelters males. Klinefelters males. Klinefelters males. Okay, but don't forget Sheben. Okay. Rudimentary ovaries. Ovaries means, rudimentary means very small, underdeveloped. Ovaries called rudimentary. Okay. Rudimentary ovaries, which syndrome? Rudimentary ovaries, which syndrome? Typical for Turner. Be very careful, okay? These are classical MCQs. Rudimentary ovaries is typical for Turner's. What do you mean by the word gynecomastia? Gyanaco. Gynecomastia. Any idea? Big size breast in a male. In a male is called gynecomastia. Okay. So gynecomastia in a male, okay. Be very careful. Big size breast in a male is called gynecomastia. So gynecomastia is present in Klinefelters but absent in Turner's. Super point, right? Important MCQ. I'll repeat. Gynecomastia means enlargement of breast in a male. So gynecomastia occurs in Klinefelter's syndrome and gynecomastia never occurs in Turner's syndrome. MCQ points. So gynecomastia means big size breast in males. See? Gynecomastia occur in Turner's. True or false? Because Turner's is only in females. Turner female. So this is a wrong statement. So, see, Klinefelter's case, gynecomastia. Superb. See, true or false? Both masculine and gynecomastia occur in which disease? Masculine means male. So, Klinefelter's masculine, male. So, it has to be Klinefelter's. So, Klinefelter's. Next question they will ask NEET. NEET, they are so brilliant people. Why Turner's has no gynecomastia? Why Turner's has no gynecomastia? Any idea? In gynecomastia, Turner's, very small sized ovaries. So secondary sexual characters will not be there. Okay, what is you tell me the answer? Why Turner's no gynecomastia? Come on. Absence of one of the X chromosome. Very, so many times they are repeated this MCQ. Absence of one of the X chromosome. Don't forget the question. Why Turner's syndrome has no gynecomastia? Turner's syndrome are sterile. True or false? They are classical MCQ. Okay. Turner syndrome, sterile. If you know this point, you can answer that MCQ. Turner syndrome, sterile is a true statement. It's a true statement. Turner is sterile. It's a true statement. Turner is sterile is a true statement. Klinefelter is sterile. True or false? Come on. Klinefelter is sterile. True or false? It is also a true statement. So Turners and Klinefelters both are sterile. They'll ask, which of the following is sterile? Choice number A, Turners. Choice number B, Klinefelters. Choice number C, both of the above. Choice number D, none of the above. It will be a rank deciding MCQ. You must be bold enough to answer both, because sterile means both for Turners and Klinefelters. When you answer this question, don't forget Sheben. Okay. Lack of secondary sexual character in Turner. True or false? Lack of secondary sexual character. Turner. Just now I discussed now. So it is a true statement. It is a true statement. See, now it is a short-term memory for you. It is a very short-term memory. You will be a little bit exaggerated. Tomorrow afternoon, if I ask this question, you cannot answer. That is why I am repeatedly telling you to practice 7 days continuous recall. Okay, good. And write some good comments about this video in the comment section, and share this video to your junior friends, senior classmates, and especially to your biology madam, and to your NEET coach. Okay, and after hearing this video, my part 30 is also available in the same YouTube channel. Hear that video also. Okay. See, additional copy of X chromosome is seen in which syndrome? The word is additional, and X is the keyword. Additional and X. Additional copy of X chromosome. Additional copy of X chromosome. Which syndrome? The keyword is additional and X. Additional. What is the answer? You know this. Klinefelters. That is why Klinefelters. See, the absence of one of the X chromosome seen in, that is additional Klinefelters. Absence means Turners. What is stratification? What is? I think you forgot humidification now. Right? Right. Stratification. What do you mean by stratification? Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels. Each and every word is important. In this same line, they can frame 4 MCQ answers. That time you cannot answer. So be very thorough, but don't forget the question now. Stratification. Don't forget the question. Stratification. Got it? In this same point, they can frame 4 MCQs for you. So read it very thoroughly. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels. See, everything you have collected from your NCERT 12th standard textbook only. It's there in a textbook. Okay. Now this is repeated MCQ. Restriction endonucleases are found in any idea? Come on. Restriction endonucleases are found in are used in genetic engineering. They are repeated more than 10 times. What is the question? Genetic engineering. Transgenic model exists for cancer. True or false? This line looks meaningless line, right? But they have asked this MCQ once. It looks so meaningless. Transgenic model exists for cancer. You have to take yes or no. What is your answer? The answer is true. Transgenic model exists. Very good. Come on. This is which of, if you know this, you can answer a question. Rice is a millet. True or false? Rice is a millet. True or false? Come on. Wrong. Rice is not a millet. Okay. Wheat is a millet. True or false? Come on. Wheat is a millet. True or false? The three millets are maize, jowar, bajra. Very much. They'll ask which of the following is not a millet? Gone. Maize, jowar, and bajra are millets. They'll keep one more choice. They'll ask which is not a millet. How or why wheat and rice production is increased? How or why wheat and rice production is increased? Because of introducing so many semi-dwarf varieties, short varieties. That is why they increase, okay? Semi-dwarf varieties. Mexico. Can you frame a question for Mexico? Any idea? Mexico. What is there in Mexico? International Center for Wheat and Rice. International Center for Wheat and Rice. What is the question? Mexico. What is the answer? International site for wheat and rice. Norman Borlaug. What is the question? Norman Borlaug. Norman Borlaug. What did this gentleman found out? He found out he developed the semi-dwarf wheat. Semi-dwarf wheat. Wheat is the MCQ. Wheat is the MCQ point. Norman Borlaug, semi-dwarf wheat. In the examination hall, they will keep semi-dwarf wheat, semi-dwarf rice, both of the above, none of the above. That time, very tough to decide. So the wheat is the keyword. Wheat is the keyword, and the question is Norman Borlaug. Kalyan Saya or Saga. Kalyan Saga is a maize. Kalyan Saga is a maize. True or false? Come on. Kalyan Saga is a maize. True or false? It is a wheat. Very important. This question they have asked to match the following. Kalyan Saga is a wheat. Wheat. That is why don't feel bad because I am telling you to do this continuous recall. Then only you can remember. I want you to take full marks in it. Okay. What is IRRI? What is IRRI? Any idea? IRRI. International Rice Research Institute. International Rice Research Institute. Very important MCQ.
94427.
What is the question for Philippines?
Sorry, 2744.
Philippines, any idea?
07.
Philippines, any idea? That MCQ. Philippines, any idea? It is the location for IRRI. Philippines, location for IRRI. Sonalika is a wheat. True or false? Sonolika is a wheat. True or false? Come on. Sonalika is a wheat. It is a true statement. This question they have asked, okay. What is the advantage of Sonalika? What is the advantage of using this Sonalika? They can use so many Sonalika, so many other this one type, no? Why Sonalika is so much advantage they have asked? Because this is the choice you have to answer. High yielding and disease resistant. They will give some other 4 choices and make us confused. Yes. High yielding and disease resistant. What is the question? Why Sonalika is very often used? IR8 is a Talchang native 1 rice. True or false? IR8 is a Talchang rice. True or false? IR8 is a semi-dwarf rice is the correct answer. IR8 semi-dwarf rice. IR8 semi-dwarf rice. Okay, good. Taiwan. What is the question for Taiwan? Taiwan. This is the answer. Talchang native 1 rice. Taiwan. 3 names we studied. Mexico, Philippines, Taiwan. Gone. Tomorrow afternoon everything will go away. 7 days continuous recall. Okay, good. Taiwan. Okay, good. This question they have asked once. IR8 is developed in India. True or false? This they have asked. IR8 is developed in India. True or false? This is how you should prepare for NEET. This is how you should prepare for NEET. IR8. Come on. Philippines. 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 IR8 is a wrong statement. This is a wrong statement. Jaya, Jaya. Jaya is a semi-dwarf variety of wheat? Wheat. True or false? Jaya. 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 Any idea? Jaya. Have you heard Jaya? Somewhere in your textbook. Jaya is a semi-dwarf variety of rice. Jaya rice. Okay, very good. Transgenic model exists for cystic fibrosis. CYSTIC. Fibrosis. FIBROSIS. True or false? This is NEET. This question they are going to ask next year. Get ready for this question. Transgenic. Okay. Come on. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. See next question. See how brilliant this question. Okay. Transgenic model exists for AIDS. Any idea? Transgenic model exists for AIDS. As per your textbook. No. So you should know this point very thoroughly. See, next question I will ask. Transgenic model exists for diabetes. Come on. The answer is no. So, as per your textbook, name 4 diseases which have transgenic model. One I told you, cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis. Other things? What all? Alkaptonuria. Sorry. Alzheimer's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, cystic fibrosis, cancer. Page number 216. So what is the question? Don't forget the question. Many people forget the question. 4 diseases with the transgenic model as per your textbook. Okay. Alzheimer's, rheumatoid arthritis, cystic fibrosis, cancer. What is SCP? What is SCP? Single cell protein. What is SCP? Single cell protein. What is SCP? Single cell protein. Swiss cheese. Have you heard about this? Swiss cheese. Match the following question. This is the match the following question. Swiss cheese is related to what? Swiss cheese. Any idea? Swiss cheese. Carbon dioxide. Very important. Match the following question. Swiss cheese is related to carbon dioxide. This question they have asked. Swiss cheese in carbon dioxide is related to what? Swiss cheese in carbon dioxide is related to what? Any idea? Is related to Propionibacterium shermani. Propionibacterium shermani. Okay. Propionic bacterium Shermani. Correct. Plague is treated by what medicine? Plague. Plague. Plague is treated by what medicine? Any idea? This is MCQ, NEET. Antibiotics. Or they will ask, antibiotic is used to treat, they'll give 4 diseases and make you confused. Don't forget plague, okay? Number 1, plague. Number 2, diphtheria is treated by what medicine? This is how I teach you NEET. Diphtheria, Diptheria. Diphtheria is treated by what disease? What medicine? Diphtheria is treated by same antibiotics. Okay, antibiotics. Okay, very good. Leprosy is treated by leprosy. Leprosy is treated by what tablet or what medicine? Any idea? Same antibiotic. Same antibiotic. So 3 diseases we told right now. One is plague. Next one, diphtheria. Next one, leprosy. Okay. So whooping cough, severe cough. That is called severe whooping cough, mainly in children. It comes mainly in children, whooping cough. WHOOPING, whooping cough, is treated by what? Is treated by, whooping cough is treated by antibiotics. So how they can ask in both way. Which of the drug is, which of the following is treated by antibiotic? They can ask change also. So be very thorough. Plague treated by antibiotic. Diphtheria treated by antibiotic. What is this? Leprosy treated by antibiotic. Whooping cough treated by antibiotic. I made it very, very, very clear for you. Okay. Henking. 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 What is the question? What did this gentleman find out? Henking. Henking. He found out sex determination for male and males and females. Henking. Very brilliant fellow. He found out sex determination. Okay. So he has to be a brilliant fellow, right? See, my tricky question. See how I am treating a tricky question. Malaria is treated by antibiotics. True or false? This is NEET. Malaria is treated by antibiotics. True or false? Come on. Malaria is treated by anti-malarial drug. So this is a false statement. Plague is caused by bacteria. True or false? Plague is caused by bacteria. True or false? Yes, that is why it is treated with. That is why it is treated with antibiotics. Any disease which is due to bacteria has to be treated with antibiotics. This is a broad MCQ, okay? You can answer this. You find out whether this is a bacteria or virus or fungus. If you know it is a bacteria, it has to be treated with antibiotics only. See? So plague is a bacteria. So the treatment is antibiotics. Very good. This is MCQ. Can you read this? Monascus purpurus Monascus purpurus is an yeast. Eh? True or false? Match the following question. Come on. Monascus purpurus is a yeast. That is the purpose of hearing this video. Man is a yeast. Come on, true or false? Yes, yes, yes. It is a yeast. It is an yeast. Immunosuppressive drugs. IMMUNO. Suppressive medicines or drugs used for which disease? Immunosuppressive drugs are used for which disease? Organ transplant patients. Liver transplantation, kidney transplantation, some transplantation. For organ transplantation patients, they will definitely give immunosuppressive drugs. Is the match the following question or choose the best? Come on. Just now I told you mucus purpura is a yeast. It's a yeast. Okay, that is confirmed. So my next question. Muscus purpurus produces cyclosporin A. If you know this point, you can answer one more question. True or false? Tell me. Muscus purpurus secretes statin. Muscus purpurus secretes statins. So what is the use of statin? Statin is a tablet or a medicine which is used to reduce or lower bad cholesterol. Blood cholesterol, bad cholesterol. It lowers the bad cholesterol. Okay. So now I am going to repeat this question. Can you answer this? 4 diseases with a transgenic model. So you forgot. That is why I am telling you. Hear this video for 7 days continuously. Spend 1 hour. You will be the master. Come on, tell me the answer. Alzheimer's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, cystic fibrosis, cancer. That is what I am telling you. 7 days recall, okay? But don't forget the question. 4 diseases with transgenic model. Alzheimer's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, cystic fibrosis, cancer. And don't forget to share this great awareness video with your good friends. Stay tuned.